Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Come on, make we gather by the kitchen. On today's menu, we have some scrumptious banana fritters. And here are the bits and pieces of ingredients I'll be using to whip them up. Yes, for whip them up. And a one whip and a two whip. So first we are going to mash out our bananas. I'm demolishing 3 overripe bananas. Guys, that's the best bananas to use because they are just sweet and glorious for these recipes. You know, like banana bread, banana cake, banana anything, banana fritters, of course. Next, I'm adding 1 egg and I'm going to whip it up. And now Vibes fam, if you don't like eggs or you're allergic to them, then don't put it in there. This is just how I do's, and I love the texture of my banana fritters when I add the egg to it. So do what you got to do and do what you want to do. Next, I'm adding about 1/3 cup of sugar. And guys, to be honest, I don't really have no measurement for this recipe. Me just dash and dash. Enough time me just eyeball it, right? As usual, that's what I normally do most times. You know, us Caribbean people don't really have a recipe. So now let's add the flour, and I'm using self-rising flour, and I'm just going to use that for now, right? I think I used maybe it's 1/3 or 1/4 cup I was using, measuring cup I was using. So yeah, so combine everything. I add a toops more flour, and now guess what, we are gonna dash in the niceness them. 1 cork full of vanilla, can't left that out, some nutmeg and cinnamon, and those might be about 1 teaspoon of each of them, right? And just fold them in. But just looking at this already, I can tell that it needs more flour, right, from me. So I'm gonna add some more flour to it, right? Because the thing is, I'm looking for a certain consistency. So, and me know when me see it, right? So that's the thing. And this right here is the consistency that I'm looking for. Just looking at it, I can tell. And me I go show you what I mean. That's it. So may I lift it up for try show you the consistency when I like or how I use it. Right? So now that that's ready, time for bust a one fry. So pour some oil in your frying pan, heat it up. I have the fire pan medium heat or something like that because I need these to soak through. Burn a fire pan a raw banana fritters. Drop these according to your preferred size. I like medium. Them even look, almost large, but that's okay. It's the taste we are pre. So just do what you want to do with them and cut and go through, right? Drop them how you want drop them. So if you like small, we like small. You like medium, we like medium. You like large, me like it too, for sure. So now that they are golden brown, we are going to flip them over. Flip them over, and those that are done, let's take them out and put them on a piece of paper towel, napkin, whatever you want to call it. We are trying get the excess oil out of them. 2 left. Now we'll take them out. Let's go, guys. Join your brother and your sister. That's it. All done. Vibes fam. See we ya. I hold them banana fritters here. I walk out so in the light. No man. No. Me know why. A cause on a nice caramel looking and oh so pretty come true banana fritters. I would have rubbed 2 of one right now with a nice cup of tea. Vibes fam, me nah lie. Them a full up my eye. Them a full up my eye. Me a pre them hard. Yes, come true. Vibes fam, this is how I love my banana fritters. Nice and fluffy looking. Me not like soggy banana fritters, right? And trust me, these are all that and a bag of chips. My sister love my banana fritters them. Cause them step out very strong in a taste and everything. See them line up for come, show off them pretty face, bring them edge shots so you can pre them. Yes, Vibes fam. Link down below to my Instagram. Please follow me. God bless you.